Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with NASDAQ. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. NASDAQ is an electronic and global marketplace where traders and investors can buy and sell securities. It is featured by most Forex brokers who offer indices trading. The NASDAQ index contains over 3,000 stocks which are listed on the exchange, including some of the most popular stocks in the world, such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Amazon, and more. Created with the purpose of enabling investors to trade securities in a digitized, speedy, and transparent system, NASDAQ was created by the National Association of Securities Dealers, otherwise known as the NASD, in 1971. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with NASDAQ can sometimes find it a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best brokers with NASDAQ. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, corporate and professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, Guides in the Financial Markets, a Trading Academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. At number 2 on our list is CMC Markets. CMC Markets is a multi-asset class spread bidding and CFD broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. Clients have the ability to trade on more than 9,000 trading instruments, covering indices, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, as well as their very own next-generation platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support, and more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with NASDAQ, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia. Specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders, The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And those are some of the top 5 best brokers with NASDAQ on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.